Again on 4/6/2021. Gotta go out here and get my one trash on the street, but I'm just showing you because we're making sure we can look at all the videos, right? Because what it is different people came and parked over there, and what it was is that they knew that wasn't me getting my vehicle fixed. It didn't matter how many times that guy over there visits them at all. That was never me at all. And they knew that too. Right. See, this is the back. This is my driveway over here. Nobody shares my driveway either. See how all those vehicles over there, they share it over there with that Corvette? Well, it's not me. Just showing you, right? Because it looks good, right? Because so I'm making it look good too. I just want everybody to make sure that they can see, right? So you knew that wasn't from me. So we're looking. We're looking. And that's how it goes. When you get mad because Michelle Miller didn't want to sit there and be telling me the truth about stuff, they knew. Oh, man. And so what it is it makes them mad. And so whose fault is it? It's the people who they all got reassurance that they could steal somebody's identity, and they all should have knew better.